Hi, thank you so much for taking this time and watching my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke with Lauren in regards to sending over a custom video for your company. I came across your company while doing research for plumbers in your area. So I just want to send you a video in regards to increasing traffic to your website and increasing your online presence. So today we'll begin talking about three things. So it's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So to begin with, content is anything that can be found throughout your website. So any words that you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, any videos. I do recommend having at least 1,500 words in your of content on your website. The more content you have, then you're able to include keywords. Now, keywords are very important. When people are Googling for certain services or types of businesses, this is how they will come across your website. So the more that you have, the more people will find your website. The next will be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So this can be through Google, Angie's List, um, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, LinkedIn. So it's very important to have as many citations as possible. The next we would find here when we Google plumbers in American Canyon will be our map pack. So this is very important to be in this area here, and I do see that you're number one. Oftentimes people will directly go to your website or call from this map pack. Now the next that we find would be the organic search. So with that, let's take a look and see who is coming up. So number one would be Yelp. Number two will be roto, and then number three is Jeffrey Gray Plumbing. So these two companies would be your competition. So let's just take a look and see how your website is doing. Then we'll take a look at their websites as well. So I'm showing for your website, you currently have 250 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that divert I'm sorry, it's links that actually bring people back to your website. So it actually will increase your traffic the more backlinks that you currently have. Now, backlinks are not all the same. You want to make sure you have quality backlinks. Now, for example, if you were to have a backlink from a restaurant versus a backlink coming from a hardware store, then that would be a difference in the type of traffic that you'll see. The next would be organic keywords. So in this case, you have about 21. You have about 24 people going to your website monthly, and then bringing in about a revenue of 375 based on the people that are coming to your website. So let's go back to keywords. So these are the keywords that people are typing in to find your company. So, of course, your company name, and then these are some of the other keywords that is bringing in business for you. Okay. So the next would be roto. Now they have over 871,000 backlinks. They're using over 96,000 keywords, bringing in roughly 219,000 people to their website and a revenue of 3.6 million. Now they are a franchise company, so they do have a lot of traffic come to their website. But this is still going to be your number one competitor. So it's important to see maybe what type of keywords they're using. And what we do is we help implement those keywords within your website. So these are some of the keywords that they're using. Okay, so just to give you an idea. Okay, so then the next would be Jeffrey Gray Plumbing. So I'm showing that they have 158 backlinks. They're using 418 keywords, bringing in about 181 people to their website monthly, generating an extra about 3,000 based on the traffic that they have coming to them. Now let's look at their keywords. Okay, so these are some of the things people are typing in to come over to their company. Okay, so just to give you an idea. Okay, so again, keywords are going to be important, citations, and the content that you have in your website. Now, I hope that you enjoyed some of these tips that I provided today and you're able to implement those. You're welcome to use this on your own, or I'm happy to have a further discussion to see how I can help. My phone number is 916-378-9773. I would love to get feedback either way from in regards to the tips I provided in this video. Thank you again for taking out your time to watch, and I hope you have a good day.